Thinking about jumping into crypto with Binance Us, but wondering if it's actually safe? Let's break down the safety features in a quick 90-second rundown. First, two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is a must. This is like adding an extra lock to your account, requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password. It's super important and easy to set up. Look for it in your account settings. Next, dive into the security settings. Binance Us offers address whitelisting, so you can limit withdrawals to only pre-approved addresses. This prevents your funds from being sent anywhere else even if your account is compromised. Also, keep an eye on your device management. It shows you all the devices logged into your account, allowing you to easily remove any unfamiliar ones. How about your USD? Binance Us insures USD cash balances up to $250,000 per user through USD Insurance held at custodial banks. This is similar to how your bank account is protected. Stay updated. Binance Us regularly publishes security updates and information on their blog. Following these will help you keep abreast of new threats and best practices to keep your account safe. And finally, the most important thing, be vigilant about phishing scams. Never click suspicious links or share your password or 2FA codes with anyone. Binance Us will never ask for your password via email. If you're unsure about an email, contact their official support channels directly. That's your rapid rundown on Binance Security.